In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account while you're in Papua New Guinea. Let's walk through the process together and you'll have your account set up in no time. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to paypal.com/pg. This will direct you to the PayPal homepage for Papua New Guinea. From there, you'll see an option to sign up. Click on that and it will take you to the next step. Here, you will be prompted to choose between a personal account or a business account. Since we're focusing on setting up a personal account today, go ahead and select that option. Then click Get Started. This will lead you to a page where you need to input your personal details. Start by filling out your name and email address. Make sure you choose an email that you check regularly, as it will be linked to your account and PayPal notifications. Then create a secure password. Think of something that combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for the best security. Once you've filled in your name and email and created a password, make sure to select Papua New Guinea as your country. This setting is crucial because it dictates the features and services available to you through PayPal in your region, so don't overlook it. Now moving forward, you'll be asked to provide more detailed information, including your full name, address, and phone number. Be sure to enter these details accurately as they will be essential for account verification and contact purposes. The form might seem extensive, but it's necessary to ensure the security and proper setup of your account. Following this, you have the option to add a payment method to your PayPal account, which could be a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Adding a payment method helps streamline your transactions and makes future payments quicker and easier. To set this up, have your bank information or card details handy. Sometimes PayPal might ask you to verify your account further. This could be done by linking your PayPal account to your bank or by providing additional documentation. Verification is another security measure that helps protect your funds and personal information. Once you have completed all the previous steps, it's time to review the terms and conditions. It's always a good practice to read through them so you're aware of what you're consenting to. Once you're ready, click Agree and Create Account. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PayPal account in Papua New Guinea. Now you can start receiving payments and sending money worldwide with ease. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy transacting.